Hey guys, is it dinner time again? It's time to do some dinner preparation. But look at this dirty vent. I'm gonna have to clean this because I don't want oil dripping on my food. Hey guys, welcome back to the Geographer Productions YouTube channel. So almost 2 years ago, I introduced the cleaning video, Degreaser versus baking soda and vinegar mix, and that did amazingly well with over 150,000 views. Thank you for making that video very popular. So today we are going to take a look and compare how a heavy-duty citrus degreaser works against everyday household products such as a combination of vinegar and baking soda in removing kitchen grease or oil. Alright, so here I have a pot of boiling water, two equally dirty vents filters. What I'm going to do is place this one in the boiling water right here. Place this one in a lukewarm water right here in this pot. Alright, what I'm going to do is add a little bit of the distilled vinegar to the boiling water. I think that's a good amount right there. And then slowly add the baking soda because it's going to fizz. So make sure you be careful. Do that. So probably like 1 teaspoon perhaps. I think that's good enough right there. And to the right, we are going to spray a generous amount of this degreaser. Because it's so dirty and oily. I think I pretty much sprayed like 15 times. So I'm back today with a better cleaning video. Now, the degreaser and the baking soda and vinegar mix did an okay job, but it required pretty much intensive scrubbing labor work afterwards. Let's go ahead and turn off the power and see how both of them turn out. Alright, here we go. Here's the one that we use, the vinegar and baking soda mixture. It's looking way better than before. We're going to put that up to the left so we don't get that confused. Here's the one using the degreaser. To the right. Both of them still looks like it has some oil left, so we might need to do some additional scrubbing and see how they both come out easily. Let's go ahead and scrub this one with a brush with warm water since the baking soda is going to get rich. Go ahead and scrub the degreaser one. So after an equal amount of scrubbing, which cleaning solution do you think reigns supreme? I'll let you be the judge of that. So first, let me remove the dirty oil filter. I purchased this Samsung microwave from, I believe, Lowe's back in September 2017, and it served me well. Make sure you check out that review. So it's been September, and it's like March right now. I should have cleaned this like at least once every month. So it's pretty much dirty, guys. See all the oil collecting on the top of the kitchen? That's what my mom put the saran wrap right there. I know it looks a bit corny. So today I have a better solution. We are going to clean this in a simple dishwasher. So what I'm going to do is place it at the bottom so it has direct access to the spin blade and the heating element. So today I have a better solution for that, guys. Today I'll be just working with a simple Cascade Complete Dawn with citrus breeze scent dishwasher liquid. Just pour a generous amount down here in the main wash. Whoops, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. Generous amount right there. I'm going to do the heated clean And this is the Frigidaire unit that I'll be working with. High temp wash, heated dry, and we'll see how it turns out. Wish me luck, guys. I hear it doing work. It's doing great work. Let's get it clean. So my dishwasher just got done. It's been over 1.5 hours. I didn't realize it takes that long. See, it's clean. High temperature wash, heated dry. Let's see how it turns out. Smells lemony though. Wow, okay. Not bad, guys. Look at this. Come here and take a look at this, guys. It's not brand new, but it definitely beats hand scrubbing or hand washing it or boiling it with a baking soda and vinegar mix, or maybe even using a degreaser. Looks like this is the most convenient way, I have to admit. We're gonna have to do a comparison. Alright guys, now it's time to choose who the winner is. Does this look cleaner with the dishwasher? Or with the degreaser and baking soda and vinegar mix? Which cleaning solution do you think reigns supreme? Alright, so I'm gonna let you guys pick the winner. Is it the degreaser, the baking soda and vinegar, or the easy use of the dishwasher? I personally select the dishwasher clean method because it's easy and simple. Plug it in and it's good to go. Just have to put it in the dishwasher once a month. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click on the like, comment, share, subscribe button. Until next time, take care of yourselves in your kitchen. And as good as new, guys!